In Indian numeration system, the names of places, that is places in a number, are different from the places of a number in international numeration system. I'll repeat it again. The international numeration system and Indian numeration system differ in terms of places in a number. So in Indian numeration system, in Indian numeration system, the places in numbers goes like this. We have first ones, then we have tens, then we have hundreds, then we have thousands, then we have 10,000s, then we have lakh, then we have 10 lakh, then we have crore, then we have 10 crore, and then it goes on. I'm leaving this because it's out of your scope or out of your level. It's studied by higher students. In international numeration system, the places goes like this. We have ones, then we have tens, then we have hundreds, then we have thousands, then we have 10,000s, then we have 100,000s, then we have 1 million, then 10 million, then 100 million, I'm writing it here because I was short of space, therefore I'm starting from here. 100 million, then we have 1 billion, then 10 billion, then 100 billion. And it goes on. So you could see that this was the common here. It was common. But here it's only up to 10,000s, and it's here we have till 100,000s. So after this 10,000, things started to change. The first grouping is always 3, here also and here also. But after this, in Indian numeration system, we have grouping of 2. You could see it here. It's grouping of 2. That is, this was this was for 1,000 in the group of 10,000 and thousands. Then it was for lakh, and it was for crore. Whereas here we have the groupings of 3. Like this was a grouping of 3. This was for 1,000. This was for 1,000. And then we have grouping of this. That was for million. Then we have a grouping of this 3. That was for billion. Let's take an example so that Your concept is clear, crystal clear. I'll take a 9-digit number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is 9-digit number. If you're asked to read this number first in Indian numeration system, so first in Indian numeration system, so the first place would be ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place. So right here, 9 here, 8 here, 7 here. Then comes the number of 1000 and then comes the number 10,000. So write 6 here, then 5 here. Then comes the number lakh and then 10 lakh. So write the number 4 here and 3 here. Then comes the number crore and 10 crore. So write 2 here, write 1 here. This was a grouping for 1000. This is for lakh. Let me write it. This was for 1000. This was for lakh. This was for crore. Now, if you have to name the number or read the number, read it. Start from here. Is this 12? Yeah, it is 12. So I'll write 12 this crore. What is this? This is 34. Yeah, it's 34. 12 crore 34 and this lakh. Then comes this one. Is this 5 and 6? Is this 56? Yeah, it is 56. 56. This 1000. And then what is this number? It's 789. So 789. So the number's name was 12 crore 34 lakh 56,000 and 789. Now write and read, name the same number in international numeration system. So this was Indian. Now we'll see for international. So in international we have, first we have ones, then tens, then we have hundreds. Write the numbers. 9 comes here, 8 comes here, 7 comes here. Then comes the number 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So 6 here, 5 here, 4 here. Then comes the number lakh, 10 lakh and 100. Sorry, my mistake. I'm sorry. Then we have 1 million. Then we have 10 million. Then we have 100 million. So write 3 here, 2 here and 1 here. Sorry, yeah, it's and then 1 here. So all the 9 digits have been assigned to their respective places. Now read this number. How do you read? So this grouping was for million. This was for 1000. And this was for 100, tens and 100, tens and ones. So what is this number? This is 123, right? This is 123. Write this name, million. Then come here 456, right? This particular grouping, what's the number? 456. So 456, right? Thousand. Then we are left with this. So what's this number? 789. 789. So the name of the number, or the way you will read this number, is 123,456,789. So you could see clearly this number naming, this naming is different from this one. So this was Indian and this was international. This was international.